Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness of your torch, your flashlight on various different phones, Android and also iPhone as well. So normally to turn on the torch you just need to scroll down from the top and you will see an icon for a torch or flashlight, and then when you hit it you can now see it will light up a dark room, for example, but you can actually change the brightness of that. For example, you might want it brighter or you might want it dimmer. If you actually hold down the button for torch, you will see it will bring up a brightness thing here. And now we can change it all the way up to level 5. So there's 5 different levels of brightness, ranging from that all the way to that there. So if you have a look at the table here, you can see it changing. And just to show you it working on other phones. So again, torch here, and then hold it down, and it will bring up the brightness here. Normally, by default, it's set midway. Again, torch here, turn it on, hold it down. Again, midway, you can change it. On the Apple one, we've got it just here. And if we hold it down, again, you can see it's done it this way. And you can see it changing on the table there. And now on this one, this is an older Android, and with this one you don't hold down the torch, you just, every time you tap it the torch will come on and off, but to change actual brightness you just tap where it says torch underneath the symbol and that will bring it up here, and then you can adjust it from here. So it's nice that you can adjust the level of the brightness on your torch. Hope that video's helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.